Welcome, I am Zander Kutser and today I will be demonstrating heap buffer overflow in C. First things first, what is buffer overflow? Buffer overflow happens when a process attempts to store data beyond the limits of a fixed size buffer, and this causes the input text to flow over to the next memory location. I will exploit this in two ways in this example. Firstly, I will use it to crash a running program, and secondly, I will use it to manipulate values in an array of strings to potentially change another user's input. To run this program, one has to have a GCC installed on preferably a Linux environment, and then you can just follow the steps here on the right hand side. A link will be provided in the description to download the necessary files. We'll head over to a demonstration of this now. So in both versions of this demonstration, we are working with heap dynamic memory, so everything has been allocated explicitly. And then in the first instance, we'll quickly run that one. It basically takes in two values and prints them to screen. So if we want to break this, we can try to just input a normal value for value 1, then a longer value for value 2 to see what happens. And as we can see, it crashes the program and also overwrites the contents of buffer 2. The crash happens because when we try and free the memory, the allocated memory, it cannot find what has been allocated because it has been overwritten by this long text that we inserted. We look at the second program now. This basically creates an array of char arrays, which acts as an array of strings. So it takes in a bunch of names. In this case, we just have Bill, John, James, and then we'll put our long name right here at the bottom. So as we can see, nothing crashed, it executed as normal, but James has been overwritten and is now replaced with exploit overflow. This can be quite dangerous if this array has been used as a friends list or users using a system, and you can just override the users in the system. This is just a bare bone demonstration of what can go wrong. Now, in summary, this was two implementations, one showing how you can crash the program by overflowing variables into one another, and the other one showing how you can manipulate different values in an array by overflowing certain values in the array. This can be easily recreated by using the provided files and links in the description. Thank you very much.